even ne-universe noNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi wena awuziphakamisi, awuzenzi sengathi nawe unamandla ngaphezu kwendalo, because lezi zinto ze-consciousness, i-evolution, ama-vibrations and energy, lezo zinto izinto zendalo, izinto ezidaliwe kwalona idlozi lidalwe yilezo zinto. Umuntu ubekwa kwile soul path because kusuke kufanele ukuthi a-achieve something ngale soul yakhe in this lifetime. Lowo muntu isoul yakhe ichoose indawo azozalela kuyona, ichoose abazali, ichoose ama-life experiences. You'll be surprised ukuthi ize ichoose ney'nkinga zedlozi azohlangabezana nazo, which means lezi iy'nkinga ohlangabezana nazo wena zasedlozini, indlela ozelapha ngayo lezo zinkinga is predetermined by isoul yakho. If inkinga yedlozi usayilapha nge-method ekanje nakanje nakanje wena, it is because that thing is predetermined for you. When abanye abantu beyilapha ngenye indlela kodwa wena uyilapha ngale ndlela, and no one is going to judge you okwakho lokho ukuthi wena uthathe siphi isinqumo nesinyathelo in terms of sorting out ama-ancestral problems akho okwakho lokho, because it has something to do with your soul. So it's the same thing with